Well, I've just finished putting in nearly the final thing. So what I've done is I've put this beading all the way around the edge of the top and along this side all the way to the end. I still don't know what I'm going to do with this gap. The angle's all weird and I can't get a bit of wood in there, but I've everything's pretty much finished now. I just got to clean the van out, fill it full of stuff, and I'm kind of ready to go. I go away in about 7 days, I think, so I'll be in it full time in 7 days. The battery system's all hooked up under here, it's all finished. You can see there, the fridge, 1000-watt inverter, it's all wired up. So the only thing I've really got to do to be completely finished is to sand and varnish it or oil it, but I really don't know if I'll do that before I leave, because I'm so sick of it and I can't be bothered. I should, but I could probably do that at any stage. The problem with, I might do it once I'm gone and just do like one piece a day, but the problem with that, I'm thinking, is once I've got stuff in it, every time I sand something I make sawdust, and I don't want to get everything covered in dust, where if I do it now I could sand the whole lot in probably half an hour with the electric sander and then it's done. But yeah, but it's cold today outside, you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's rain on the window, it's freezing cold. It's about 11 degrees I think where I am now, so she's cold. Anyway, I'll keep doing the final touches. I've got to put another magnet on these window covers I made. One just falls off a little bit in one corner, so I stick the magnets on and the whole thing sticks to the window. It's no problem. Alright, I'll keep working. So the van, it's a bit of a mess, but I've finished varnishing the whole lot, so technically I'm finished. I still got to put things away and pack it, but everything is finished. The shower needs a good clean, obviously. Above the windows is insulation, air vent, bed, desk, storage box. I can show you all better when it's finished, but I don't have much more to do. I made this blind. I can show you that later when the van's a bit tidier and there's not stuff up against it. So yeah, I don't know how well you can see in the dark on this screen, but I'll clean it up, I'll pack it, and I leave in 3 days, so 2 days, 3 days. There you go.